Hello everyone! Thank you back to our channel New York Brothers. Today Josh and Jesse went to the Lego store on 50th Avenue in New York City. Lego sells over 400 million tiles each year, which makes Lego the world's largest tile manufacturer. There are over 400 billion Lego bricks in the world. I think it's one of the best inventions of toys. We don't need any glue or tools to assemble. We simply follow the instructions with pieces. Explore the tree of discovery to uncover its hidden surprises. Lego Lady Liberty welcome you as well. It's also fun to sit next to the Hulk and see who's stronger. Ride in the brick-built Lego taxi cab. It's always fun for riding. Turn into an interactive Lego minifigure at the Lego Expressions. Experience the first ever Lego Brick Lab. Check out an amazing, immersive new experience that combines Lego building with digital play like never before. Lego Personalization Studio.
Alright, so there's a bunch of options, okay? First is a bunch of predetermined torsos. This one you can draw on it. To change the color, you go through here.
Okay.
And then to change the size of the brush, you go over here.
Okay.
This one has a bunch of stickers you can go through. You press that button in the corner. Then this one you can type. And then you change the color of the type the same way you change the color of the other thing. Okay, let me know if you got any questions.
You can create and design your own unique Lego minifigure. Mosaic Maker allows you to transform your photo. Pick out the bricks of your choice at the pick and build wall. There are stations where you can assemble and play with Lego pieces. It's fun to see Lego assembles and sculptures. Has incredible brick-built displays, sets that are always in stock, and tons of Lego creation all over the store. Miniland. Definitely one of the attractions that you must drop by in New York City. Very friendly staff, absolutely worth it to come here. Josh and Jesse had a blast and left with some toys. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.